The Homeforia 16-inch natural floating shelves use solid pine wood with visible grain and knots, so each piece looks like a custom carpentry upgrade rather than a generic board. Their concealed heavy-duty bracket mounts into standard wall studs, giving the shelves a clean, floating look while keeping them impressively stable under everyday use. Each shelf is thick and substantial, measuring roughly 16 inches wide by 6½ inches deep by 1¾ inches tall, which makes them practical for both decor and small storage. The natural finish leans into an understated Scandinavian farmhouse style that works just as well in a modern living room as in a cozy kitchen or home office. Installation is straightforward for anyone comfortable with basic tools, thanks to a rigid metal bracket that helps keep the shelf level once it is on the wall. Because the set includes 4 matching shelves, it is easy to create a cohesive wall display, whether you are lining them up in a row or staggering them for more visual interest.